Making your Discord more active requires a mix of consistent engagement, community building strategies, and provide valuable content for your members. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to boost your activity in your Discord. Daily prompts and questions. Post daily questions to encourage response. Focus on topics your community cares about, like streaming tips, gaming preference, or general fun and relatable questions. You can also reach out to your members and post polls and opinions. Create polls about game choices, content preference, or community events. This sparks conversation and gives you an insight into what your community enjoys. Theme day. Post specific events on certain days. For example, Motivation Monday. Share tips and inspirational content. Throwback Thursday. Encourage your members to share old gaming memories or old photos. Streamer Saturdays. Let members promote their streams. Community events. Post contests. Run monthly contests like Best Clip, Fan Art, or Meme Competition. Reward winners with Discord roles, shout out, or even a small prize. $25 Amazon gift card? Say less. Game nights. Schedule regular game nights where members can join in and play games together. It's a great way to bond and create inside jokes and or memorable moments. Watch parties. Stream movies, game trailers, or Twitch streams for the community to watch together and discuss together. Encourage participants. Recognize and shout out the most active members in the server. This can be done through special roles or leaderboard system. Collaborate with your mod. Empower your moderators to engage with your community regularly. Encourage conversation and welcoming new members. User-generated content. Create channels where members can share their own content like clips, streams, or artwork. This promotes interaction and support amongst the community. Bots and automation. Engagement bots. Use bots that can run mini games, quizzes, or leaderboards to keep members entertained and coming back. Music bot. Set up a music channel where members can listen to and share their favorite tunes. A welcome bot. Create new members and encourage them to introduce themselves in a specific channel. Exclusive content and perk. Early access. Give Discord members exclusive access to your content before it's posted on other social platforms. Members only channel. Create special channels for VIP subscribers and top contributors where they get exclusive discussion or perks. Share behind the scenes content or future plans exclusively with your Discord community. Active moderation. Keep it safe and friendly. Ensure that your server remains in a welcoming environment by actively moderating and enforcing rules. This encourages more people to participate without the fear of toxicity. Encourage organic growth. Invite friends. Encourage current members to invite their friends and reward them by bringing in new active members. Partnerships. Collaborate with other Discord servers or content creators. Cross-promote each other's community. Stay consistent, regular update. Keep server fresh by regularly updating your channels, your roles, or events. Consistency is key to keeping members engaged. Be active yourself. Show up regularly, interact with your members, and be part of the conversation. Your presence sets the tone for the server. By combining these strategies, you can foster a more active and vibrant community on your Discord server. I hope this video helped, and if you need help setting up your Discord server, make sure you check out this video right here, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I put out videos every single Sunday. Happy streaming!